Hey everybody, on this video we have a 2002 Dodge Durango lock, and we're going to use the CY24-CV Lishi to pick and decode it. CV stands for commercial vehicle. It actually has the 5th depth on it. You can pick like Freightliners or Volvo semi-trucks and make keys to those using the tool with the CV on it. And so we've already made a key for it. If you look up in the top right of the video, you'll see this key being cut on the Condor Dolphin using the Key Tool Max. So if you have any interest in that, you can click there and check it out. And without further ado here, see if we can, this guy picked open and decoded here. Get that Lishi all the way in. All right, remember if it springs, leave it alone. I'm just looking now to see where our tumblers are. It looks like we have 2 through 7 or 2 through 8 in the door, and then we've got odd numbers going up. It feels like so. They click on 2. Okay, 3's got a little spring to it. 4, 5, and we're actually open. So he's got a lot of 4 cuts in this lock. Then I wanted to actually decode it here. Yeah, we're going to have 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2. All right, so it's 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2. And I did run this through a code fill program, and it gives us a code of M2308 with the first cut on the key also being a 4 if we're making an ignition key. And I just went ahead and cut it that way, so that's what our our key actually looks like here. And I'll put a link to a Lishi playlist here floating on the screen, so click on that if you want to check out any other Lishi videos. I got tons of them on there. And as always, if you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments. I answer pretty much everything. And I guess that's all we're going to have for this video, guys. I'll talk to everybody later.